Starting a business is terrifying enough without worrying if you are setting up your corporate entity correctly or accidentally throwing away hundreds of dollars on hidden service fees. You know you need a limited liability company to protect your personal savings, home, and assets from business liabilities, but navigating state filings and legal paperwork feels overwhelming. That leads directly to the core question so many new entrepreneurs face: is LegalZoom actually the best way to form an LLC, and if so, how do you use it without falling into expensive subscription traps? The short answer is yes, LegalZoom can be an excellent, stress-free tool to form your business, but only if you know exactly which options to click and which ones to skip. LegalZoom heavily advertises a $0 package, which sounds like an incredible deal. However, if you blindly click through their setup wizard, that $0 filing can easily turn into a bill for $600 to over $1,000 before you even finish checking out. The secret to using LegalZoom effectively lies in understanding how their pricing structure works and taking control of the process yourself. LegalZoom offers 3 main tiers: Basic, Pro, and Premium. The Basic tier starts at $0 plus your mandatory state filing fees. This plan handles your official articles of organization, performs a legal business name availability check, and files the necessary documents directly with your Secretary of State. For 99% of new business owners, this free tier is all you actually need from LegalZoom. The main reason people end up overpaying is the endless sequence of add-ons and upsells integrated into the checkout path. The biggest optional charge is the registered agent service, which LegalZoom lists at $249 per year. A registered agent is simply a designated person or entity authorized to receive official government mail and legal notices during standard business hours. While you are required by law to have a registered agent, in almost every state you can legally serve as your own registered agent for free, provided you have a physical address in the state where your business is registered. Unless you prioritize complete privacy for your personal home address or operate outside your state, paying $249 every single year is an unnecessary expense. Another common upsell is the Employer Identification Number, or EIN. An EIN is essentially a social security number for your business, necessary for opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. LegalZoom often charges between $79 and $159 to obtain this number for you. However, you can get an official EIN directly from the IRS website for free in less than 10 minutes. Paying a third-party service to fill out a 5-minute government form is money better kept in your business bank account. You will also encounter options for operating agreements and legal consultations. An operating agreement is a vital internal document that outlines ownership percentages, voting rights, and operational rules for your LLC. While LegalZoom charges extra for this or includes it in their higher-tier packages, you can easily customize a standard template online for free if you are a single-member LLC. If you select a plan with a trial subscription, such as 30 days of legal advice or bookkeeping software, be aware that these services auto-renew into recurring monthly charges ranging from $10 to $50 per month if you do not actively cancel them. To execute the best and most cost-effective LLC formation with LegalZoom, follow a clear, lean strategy. Start by navigating to the LegalZoom website and selecting the basic $0 plan. Enter your official business name and use their free search tool to verify that no other business in your state is using it. When prompted for a registered agent, select the option to serve as your own agent if you meet the state requirements. When asked if you want them to apply for your EIN or create custom legal documents, politely decline those add-ons. Carefully review your final checkout summary to ensure no pre-selected options, like expedited processing or physical document kits, were automatically added. Once your filing is approved by the state, immediately visit irs.gov during standard operating hours to secure your free EIN, draft a simple operating agreement for your records, and open a dedicated business checking account to keep your personal and business finances strictly separated. By following this disciplined approach, you get the legal peace of mind, brand reputation, and corporate structure of LegalZoom for $0 beyond your required state filing fees, keeping your hard-earned startup capital right where it belongs, growing your business.